G'day and welcome to this episode of Apple Shorts. I'm Adrian from Using Technology Better, and in under 4 minutes you're going to learn some new tips or tricks that you can use straight away. That's right, in less time than it takes to make 2 batches of 2-minute noodles, you'll walk away with a new skill that you can use straight away. So let's jump in and see what we're going to learn. In this episode we're going to look at Notes and how that can work on your iOS device as well as on your desktop. We're going to be looking at scanning in Markup, searching, organising your notes, and drag and dropping on an iPad.
To scan a document into Notes, you want to open up a note, go to the plus button down the bottom, and it will pull up a menu where you can scan documents. When you hit that, your camera will be activated and it will try to line up on the document that you've got. When it's in the right position, it will have a yellow box to highlight it. Take a photo of the image, and what it does is it scans it in and puts it straight into Notes. Then you go to the share button at the top right hand side and tap that, and what that does is it opens up the menu which enables you to choose Markup. So once you tap that, scroll across down the bottom, hit Markup, choose the pen that you want or the colour that you want. You can sign the document. Once you've done that, hit Done, and then go to the share button again, and you can go create PDF. This will now convert it to a PDF, and down the bottom you can share again, and you can share it to email. So add in the email address, it'll attach the document that's been signed into the email address. Once it's sent, you then have the ability to either leave it inside your notes or save to your files. To search for things in Notes, it's relatively simple. Go to Notes, pull the window down, and there's a search bar at the top. Whatever you type in there will be searched for within all your notes. So I've just typed in the word dog, and it's searching my handwriting as well. And you'll notice in this document, if I come down, there's the word dog there that it's searched. Your handwriting does have to be relatively legible, but it will search that as well as every other word mentioned, dog mentioned inside Notes. So that is quite a handy way of searching for things. The other way you can search is to go down to the bottom left hand side where the 4 squares are, and this will search through all your attachments across all your notes, as well as your audio files, your documents that you've inserted, and websites. If you find a video or something that you like, if you just hold your finger on it, it'll say open or show in note. If you open it, it'll play directly from there. If you go show in notes, it'll take you to the notes. Then if you hit play, then it will run normally as a normal video inside your notes. So 2 ways of searching, easily finding anything that you've got in Notes, very, very handy. To save your notes to your files, open up a note inside your notes, go to the share button at the top, scroll across to the right hand side till you get to save to files, click on that, it'll bring up all your files that you have, choose whichever one you want to go to, tap add, and the file is saved.
To cut and paste from Notes into Pages, just open up Pages or the app that you're working in, bring the keyboard down, swipe up from the bottom, open up your notes, and drag and drop so you can multitask. Select what you want to do in your notes. Let's just grab a chunk here. Go copy, come across to here, hold the mouse down, go paste, and it just cuts and pastes. To drag and drop from one app into Notes, let's say open up Safari, find a website that we like. Once again, swipe up from the bottom, hold down Notes, drop it in there. Let's grab this note here, we'll go down to the bottom. If we just grab, highlight, tap and hold the website, you can drop it down there, and it will then drop it in for us and actually load up an image of the site. The other thing we can do is come across to here. We can highlight the bits that we'd like inside this app. We can just drag it, it'll go to a lighter box like that. We can come across and we can drop it straight into Notes like that.